Imagine cruising down a quiet forest trail, the scent of pine in the air, birds chirping above, and the sun gently warming your path. But you're not hiking or riding a mountain bike. You're piloting something entirely new, a 2026 futuristic camper tricycle RV, the ultimate fusion of personal mobility, green energy, and compact living. This is not your average RV. It's not even your typical tricycle. The 2026 camper tricycle RV is a game changer. Picture a sleek, aerodynamic design with lightweight carbon fiber panels, solar-powered roof, and intelligent AI-assisted navigation. It looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and it's redefining how we travel and live off the grid. Unlike bulky RVs that are hard to maneuver and require wide roads and special parking, this tricycle camper is designed for agility. It fits through bike lanes, weaves through urban traffic, and tackles forest paths with ease. It's powered by a hybrid system that combines electric motors with solar-charged batteries, giving you a range of up to 200 miles on a single charge. And when the sun's out, those sleek solar panels are always working, keeping your energy levels up without burning a drop of fuel. Inside, the design is nothing short of genius. Slide open the rear hatch and you're welcomed into a minimalist, modular interior. There's a foldable bed that doubles as a seating area. Hidden compartments open up to reveal a compact kitchenette with a single-burner induction stove, a water purifier, and a mini fridge. Every inch of space is optimized. Need a table? Pull it down from the wall. Want to cook outside? The kitchenette extends outward like a drawer. Even the windows are smart glass, adjusting their tint based on the sun's angle. At night, the camper turns into a cozy pod of peace. Soft LED lighting creates an ambient glow. The insulated walls keep you warm even in colder climates. And there's even a small composting toilet built into a concealed section. No hookups, no campground required. Just you, your trike, and the open world. But it's not just about comfort and mobility, it's about technology too. The 2026 model comes with integrated GPS, voice command capabilities, and a heads-up display that projects navigation and health metrics onto the inner windshield. The RV trike even monitors your heart rate and stress levels, adjusting the lighting and music to help you relax while you travel. There's also a safety drone that can be deployed to scout out campsites or assist with security, sending real-time video back to your onboard screen. What makes this camper tricycle even more exciting is how accessible it is. You don't need a special license. It's lightweight, legally classed as an e-trike in most regions, and easy to operate even for those who've never driven an RV before. It opens up a new world of freedom to digital nomads, eco-travelers, and adventure seekers who crave simplicity without giving up comfort. In a world where sustainability matters more than ever, the 2026 futuristic camper tricycle RV is a glimpse into a future that's already here. No emissions, no noise, no limits. Whether you're rolling through national parks, parking off the edge of a cliffside road for a morning coffee with a view, or sneaking through the back alleys of a quiet city to find a hidden food truck, this trike takes you there with style and soul. The road ahead isn't paved with asphalt. It's carved out by innovation and the will to explore. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle on 3 wheels, and it's waiting for you.